Good morning to all. Welcome to my channel. I am Devaram Mohan. Today we are going to deal with the topic Class 9 SCERT syllabus decimal forms. Okay. So, first I am going to check the previous knowledge of. Okay. Are you ready? All of them close the book. What is the decimal form of 235 by 100? What is the decimal form of 5 divided by 1000? How do you convert a fraction having denominator 25 into decimal? What are terminating decimal? What are repeating decimals? Write the answers, okay? How can we do arithmetic operations on recurring decimals? What's mean by recurring decimals? 2.3999. So for the 9 is repeating several times. This type of decimal we called it as recurring decimal. How we convert arithmetic? How can we do arithmetic operations on recurring decimals? Conversion of recurring decimal into fraction. Today we are going to deal with the topic convert of recurring decimal into fraction. Okay, that is what is mean by fraction first. Yes, fraction means part of a whole. Very good. Then the number which is written like in the form of numerator and denominator. Numerator should be written on the top portion and denominator should be written on the bottom portion. Therefore, how will 8 by 10? This is a fraction, right? So, if you convert earlier, 235 divided by 100. So, what will get? 2.35 decimal form. And fraction form means what? 235 divided by 100. It is in the form of fraction form. So, 5 divided by 1000. So, it having numerator and denominator. So, numbers should be written in the form of numerator and denominator said to be fraction form. So, today we want to convert this x equal to 0.888. That is recurring decimal. 8 is repeating on several times. This x equal to 0.88 should be converted into the fraction form. How we will convert it into the fraction form? How we will do? Think. Yes, to convert it into fraction form, to left hand side and right hand side we are going to multiply with 10. So what we will get? 10x equal to 8.888, right? Very good. So 8.888 we can write it in the form of 8 plus 0.888, right? Yes. Therefore 10x equal to 8 plus 0.888. What is taken as 0.888? It is taken it as x. Therefore 10x equal to 8 plus x. So 10x on the right hand side, from the right hand side goes to the left hand side. What happens? This x become plus x become minus. Therefore 10x minus x equal to 8. So we got 9x equal to 8. X equal to 8 by 9. Now it is written in the form of fraction. So 0.88 can be written in the fraction form equal to 8 by 9. That answer is 8 by 9. We have convert recurring decimal into fraction now. So, write the fraction form of the decimal 0.666 7.111. Homework, okay? Now do x equal to 0.666. So, how will do? 10x. Exactly correct. Anyone come to the board and do the problem. So, 10x equal to 6.666. 6.6 is splitted into 6 plus 0.666. 6 plus x. Though 10x equal to 6 plus x. 10x minus x equal to 6. 9x equal to 6. X equal to 6 by 9. 6 by 9 can be cut numerator and denominator with 3 cancelled. Therefore, x equal to 2 by 3. So, now we have written in the form of fraction. And another person come to board and do the problem and explain the problem how we have done. Okay. 7.11. Here now x equal to 7.111. So 10x equal to what? 7 plus, no, 10x equal to 71.111. So what we have? 70 plus 1.111 only get. So no, we cannot convert. So 64 plus 7.111, that is 10x equal to 64 plus x, that is 10x equal to 64 plus x. Therefore 10x minus x equal to 64, that is 9x equal to 64, the x equal to 64 by 9. Now solve the following problems. 0.111 plus 0.222. How we will do this problem? So let x equal to 0.111 and y equal to 0.222. So 10x equal, first take the first portion and then take the second portion. Okay, first take the first portion 0.111 and then take 0.222 and convert into decimal form. 0.111 means what? Normally 10x equal to 1.111, 10x equal to 1 plus 0.111, 10x equal to 1 plus x, therefore 9x equal to 1, x equal to 1 by 9. Same way, split y equal to, take y equal to 0.22, 10y equal to 2.222, 10y equal to 2 plus 0.222, that is 10y equal to 2 plus y, 10y minus y equal to 2, 9y equal to 2, y equal to 2 by 9, and 1 by 9 plus 2 by 9. Here denominators are same, so just add the numerator. So 3 by 9. So then the decimal form is 3 by 9. So this decimal next is 0.333 plus 0.777. Lose same way. X equal to 0.33, 10x equal to 3.33, 10x equal to 0.33 plus 3, x plus 3, that is x equal to 3 by 9. Same way 0.77, 10y equal to 7 plus 0.9, y equal to 7 by 9. And adding we got 10 by 9. Then next question. 3 hours 30 minutes is written as 3.30. Is the decimal form of 3 hours 30 minutes is 3.30. Look, answer. 30 minutes is half part of an hour, not 3 by 10 part. So it is not the decimal form of 3 hours 30 minutes. I have done this just for fun, okay? Wait. Then, how can we convert a recurring decimal into fraction? So understand, anyone tell the steps? How can we convert recurring decimal into fraction? What is a recurring decimal? A number is repeat, that is after decimal number is repeating several times. So convert as a recurring, we will put x, substitute x and multiply with a 10 according to the decimal. If it is 1 point decimal, multiply with 10. 2 point decimal, multiply with 100. 3 point decimal, multiply with 1000. So, and multiply and split and put, and we have to write the answers. So take down the homework question. Write the results of the operations below in decimal form. Thank you. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe my video. Thank you so much. Thanks for supporting me.